sole proprietor's business or obligations and liabilities. The sole proprietor can limit personal liability exposure by contract or through insurance.
By contract and through insurance. There was an answer. So I have to set up my sole proprietorship. What is the disadvantage of sole proprietorship is unlimited liabilities. Unlimited liabilities. Creditors gonna hit to my personal assets as well. So how can I reduce my sole proprietorship? How can I reduce my sole proprietorship? By contract, by insurance. Being a lawyer, you need to know, right?
Before beginning to carry on business.
Okay, that's it. Okay, so sole proprietorship. Okay, so there are some more advantages, disadvantages.
Sorry, I just ask you if she has her own notes. Do you have?
No,
because then now we can make notes.
She's not a student.
Okay.
Oh, she's not.
Then you want to read stuff?
Okay. Sole proprietorship. Okay.
Sorry,
Okay.
Chaudhry sir, 1 second. There is some persons who also wanted to do solicitor who have not been added to this group. So
Okay, no, I cannot help you more at this time. Sorry, sir. You have to listen me. So no more. I'm not responsible. I was responsible 2 days before the class.
No, just
Anyway,
1 second. One second. They had asked you to add barrister and solicitor both. आपने barrister में add किया, solicitor में आपने add नहीं किया.
Okay, no problem. It's okay. So okay. So partnership. Then second is a partnership. Okay. First was sole proprietorship. What is the disadvantage of sole proprietorship? Unlimited liability. One question. How can I reduce my unlimited liability?
By insurance.
By insurance, by contract. This is a disadvantage, right? Okay. Second one is partnership. Okay, I'm not interested to set up as a sole proprietorship, right? Now I want to go for partnership. Okay, I want to go for partnership. What kind of partnership do we have in Canada?
Limited liability and general partnership.
So one general partnership, LLP and limited partners. We need to know what is general partnership, what is limited partnership, and what is LLP, right? Lot of distraction, unbelievable. Non-professional attitude, absolutely non-professional attitude. They have a communication problem. Maybe they don't understand to read 2 days before the class. Just give me a call. I have no idea. Anyway, okay, total distraction. Partnership, there are 3 kinds of partnership. One is general partner. General partner, you are my partner. I'm your partner, right? So I'm not interested in general partnership. Okay. Then what else? LLP. Okay, LLP. Okay, LLP and in just 1 second. Yeah. Okay, in LLP, right? LLP, Gwan, can I make my LLP? What is the requirement to set up the LLP?
Has to be professional.
Like lawyers, accountants.
Lawyers, accountant, and paralegal. Okay, lawyers, accountant, and paralegal. These are all exam questions. Okay, LLP. But I'm not a lawyer. I'm not a chartered accountant. I'm not a paralegal. What else? Limited partners. Limited partners, right? There is a complete 10 to 15 question gonna come from partnership. 10 to 15 question gonna come from partnership. So partnership is the next chapter. I'm gonna explain each and everything. Okay. Then what else? Corporation. I have to set up my corporation. So what is a common form of business organization? Question is, what is a common form of business organization? Common form. What is a basic form of business organization is? So basic form. What is a common form of business organization? Corporation. Okay, can you read corporation first paragraph? Corporation from the book. From the book.
A corporation is the most common form of business organization.
Stop. Corporation, first paragraph, corporation is the most common form of business organization. Most common form of business organization. One question, right? How can I become an owner of the corporation? Okay. You just gave me advice, sole proprietorship. I agree. Okay, and you gave me a lot of benefit of sole proprietorship, 100% advantage, 100% disadvantage is unbelievable. I have no idea. Absolutely, I have no idea. Total unprofessional attitude. Keep calling me, keep calling me, keep calling me. And after 1 o'clock, I do not even. Unbelievable. Okay. Total destruction of my class. Total. I don't like this kind of behavior. Totally. Okay. Corporation. So corporation, I have to be on. Okay. I have to set up the business as a corporation. How can I become an owner of the corporation?
By buying shares?
By buying share. Okay, by buying share. How can I buy my shares? Okay, I want to become an owner of the corporation. Okay, I want to become an owner of the. Guys, sorry. Okay, so corporation is the basic form of, oh no, corporation is the common form of business organization. How can I be a owner of the corporation? Just you are my lawyer. You have to give me advice. Okay, I'm not interested in sole proprietorship. I'm not interested in partnership because I'm not a lawyer. I cannot go into LLP. I'm not interested in any kind of partnership. Then you gave me advice for corporation, which is a common form of business organization is a corporation. How can I become an owner of the corporation? To buy a shares. Okay, I want to buy a shares. How can I buy a shares? By paying money. Okay, please. Because you already attended my class, so because it's for different students. Okay. If anyone new, okay, if already attended my class, then do not answer me. Okay, please, thank you. So how can I, okay, by paying cash, I do not have a cash. Then paying property, okay, property. Just think about it. Okay, if I'm gonna, okay, I want to become an owner of the corporation. I want to become an owner of the corporation. I do not have a money. You are my lawyer. I do not have a money. Okay, then what else? You gave me advice for property. So what property? If this is eligible property, my cell phone, if I'm gonna give you my cell phone $1,000, can you issue me a shares? Just think about it. Every property is eligible to transfer from my account into the corporation account in exchange of the shares. Just think about it. You are my lawyer. You just gave me advice, Aamer. Who am I? Who am I?
Client.
I need your answer, man. You are not with me totally at all.
Client.
Yeah, you are my lawyer, right? You all people are lawyer. I'm your client. I came to your office. You gave me advice, Aamer. Aamer, just set up your business as a sole proprietorship because a lot of disadvantage. What was the disadvantage? Unlimited liability. And you gave me advice. Okay, you can reduce your unlimited liability by taking insurance or by contract. That's it. What else? Then you gave me advice for go for partnership. And then you gave me advice being a lawyer. There are three kind of partnership. One is general partners. One is
Limited partnership.
limited partnership. And limited partnership has three, like one between lawyers, chartered accountants. I'm not a lawyer. I'm not a chartered accountant. I'm not a paralegal. What else? General partner, limited partners. Okay. Then I'm not interested at all in partnership. What else? Corporation. Okay. Corporation is a basic form of business organization. Common form. Yes. Common form. Basic form of business organization is sole proprietorship. Common form of business organization is corporation. Okay, this is a good advice. I want to become how can I become an owner of the corporation? By buying share. Okay, I want to buy a share. How can I buy shares? By giving money. They're going to issue me a shares.
Or property.
Sir, I do not have money. Property.
So just think about it. Okay, I'm very happy. Property, any kind of property, sir.
Which has value in money.
This is